Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on why the crypto market is absolutely exploding right now. A lot of news around financial institutions, big players trying to get involved with Bitcoin, with crypto, and the market, as you can see today, is up 6%, absolutely rallying. The news is, really bullish out there, and it just kind of feels like we are pretty much on that journey to a massive parabolic bull run. The timing is kind of right as well. So we've got the Bitcoin halving in pretty much less than a year now. So it just feels like, this is the momentum shifting towards a absolutely parabolic bull run. So guys, let's get straight into the video and take a look at some of the news of why the markets are up, and I'll just give you kind of my thoughts around the crypto market and Bitcoin. And so yeah, let's get straight into it. Right, okay, so here we can see the market is up 6% today. Bitcoin absolutely smashing it, up 9.4%, trading at $29,000. ETH is also up, and pretty much all green in the market today. So yeah, I mean, if you look at the top 100 tokens, I don't even think there's any reds in the last 24 hours. Let's take a look. Sort this. Okay, so you just got pretty much like the Tether Gold and Pax Gold, which are minimal in terms of movement, but the rest of the market is absolutely exploding in the last 24 hours within the top 100 tokens, and Bitcoin is absolutely leading the way there. As I was saying, up 9.4%, breaking pretty much key levels and trading at that $29,000 mark again. Okay, so what's been going on in the market? So obviously there's the news around BlackRock going for the Bitcoin ETF, which will literally bring trillions to the crypto market. Bullish for crypto, bullish for Bitcoin, and they're an absolutely huge player. So with them filing for a Bitcoin ETF, obviously there was going to be other big players, big institutions that were going to follow in the same footsteps. So there's also been the likes of Goldman Sachs coming out and saying that it will start offering cryptocurrency trading services to its clients. And yeah, there's just been a lot of hype and a lot of news around some of the other big players out there. So Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, UBS literally have had positive statements all around Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Also, I guess to add to that, there was an exchange which has been launched pretty much today, or at some point today or yesterday, whenever it was, and that is backed by some of the biggest players out there. So you got Citadel Securities, you got Fidelity Investments, you got Charles Schwab. They've pretty much backed this exchange. The exchange is called EDX Markets, and yeah, this is launched now. So you've got backing of some really big players out there, and this is bullish for crypto. Hence the reason why the market is absolutely going nuts. And yeah, obviously it's a great time to be in the market, with the market exploding. Still early days in my opinion, but yeah, this is bullish. So yeah, we've had the news of the exchange being launched. So EDX Markets, so it's offering trading in 4 cryptocurrencies at the moment. So Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. And obviously that's looking to expand into the future as well. So as time goes on, there'll be more cryptocurrencies added. And I guess just to kind of add to that, some of the additional details about EDX Markets is it's an exchange which is based in the US. So where we had the whole SEC going after crypto in the US, I mean, all these big institutions have literally come out and just start taking over. And yeah, it kind of feels like it was a planned move, and really to drop the markets, and then absolutely for the big institutions to go in and really just take control of the whole cryptocurrency market. And for us being within the market as they are at the moment, this is bullish. It's definitely bullish. It's going to bring a lot more new investors to the market, and a lot of reputation, as well as I guess a lot more you're going to get a lot more kind of institutional investors, and a lot more customers. So the adoption is going to be a lot more greater with these big players taking, being more involved in the crypto market, which is obviously absolutely bullish. So yeah, as I was saying, the exchange is based in the US. It's regulated by the Financial Industry Regulations Authority. It offers a variety of trading features, so limit orders, market orders, stop loss orders, and it's also user friendly as well. So it's got a user friendly interface, and it's designed for both institutional and retail investors. So yeah, that's great. But as I was saying, guys, the market is so bullish today, 6% up. We haven't seen this for a long time, where the whole market, pretty much top 100, has been all green in the last 24 hours. And not only that, Bitcoin moving significantly, leading the way as well. In terms of the news, as I was just saying, so crypto and Bitcoin news, a lot of bullish stuff going on. So Bitcoin hit 6-week high as financial titans step up crypto initiatives, and obviously with BlackRock and some of the other big players out there, literally all talking very positively about Bitcoin and crypto at the moment. Digital asset platform EDX market begins trading and completes new funding round, and obviously this is backed by some of the biggest players out there as well. So yeah, you can see all the way through the news is mega bullish today. So overall, that's pretty good for the markets. Take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. So currently we are trading at a greed level of 59. Literally yesterday we were neutral at 49, and we have bumped up with the bullish momentum in the market today. And just on that as well, Bitcoin rainbow chart. Let's take a look at the rainbow chart. Currently we are in a accumulation phase. So we've basically come out of the fire sale phase, we've come out of the kind of buy phase, and we're literally kind of kissing the accumulation phase there. And there is potential now to continue on to the upside and absolutely start rallying and really becoming parabolic, especially as we start heading towards the the major event of the Bitcoin halving, which is literally less than a year away now. So yeah, that looks absolutely amazing. It's really timing itself well and building up kind of as expected, in terms of, if you look at the previous bull cycles, there was always some big catalyst, big news to really start the bullish momentum, and then obviously as we got to the Bitcoin halving, it just went parabolic. So it kind of is following the same kind of footsteps at the moment. Okay, so let's take a look at the graphs here. Bitcoin USDT trading on the daily, and here we can see literally we're on the upper end of the stochastic RSI, trading both above the 150 EMA, and yeah, I've just pulled in some trend lines that I've drawn in. So you can see this trend line has absolutely been broken, huge wick up there, and I guess the next key levels are basically the 29, so all close to 30,000, call it 30,000, and if we break that 30,000 level, then 31,000, and after the 31,000, I'm kind of looking at potentially a 40,000 Bitcoin. So this is obviously on the daily. If we look at this on the weekly, so let's go to the weekly. Stochastic RSI is literally only switching over from the bottom. So what that kind of indicates to me is that, yeah, there is room to the upside on a longer time frame. So overall, this is pretty bullish in my opinion. And yeah, guys, it looks like we are definitely building some momentum in the crypto market, even after all that whole, the whole SEC FUD and the cases, the court cases against, Binance, Coinbase, and so on. Yeah, the market is absolutely shifted at the moment. So guys, really good day today, bullish day in the market. Obviously, if you are in some really good positions, and this is not financial advice, but I'd definitely be, taking a little bit of profit off the table, and using that as a kind of a buffer to get into other good positions, or getting in on a potential pullback. That's definitely how I'm playing the market at the moment, and obviously nothing that I say is financial advice. So if you do look to follow some of those strategies, then do your research before you look to do that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a quick one really. It was just about the momentum in the market and how we are building up at the moment, and yeah, it looks like it potentially could be bullish momentum and upside from here. So obviously it's purely my opinion. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think about the market and how you kind of think the market's going to move. Hit me up in the comments below. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.